Hey, what up everyone, this is Altered Tech, and here I'm going to show you guys exactly why I believe the Moto E5 Supra is hands down the best budget phone in 2018. Specs. Now this phone has a respectable 1.4 GHz octa-core processor. It also has a 5000 mAh battery built inside of it. It has a beautiful 720 HD IPS LCD screen, which measures to be about 6 inches diagonally. This phone also has an 18:9 aspect ratio, which is great for watching movies and videos. The rear camera has a 12 megapixel shooter with laser autofocus. It has a selfie camera with a 5 megapixel shooter. It has Bluetooth 4.2 for easier connectivity. It has 32 gigabytes of internal storage and 3 gigabytes of RAM for better multitasking. Animations. Now this phone has some of the most smoothest animations I've ever seen on a smartphone. Now I'm coming from a Nexus 6P and a Galaxy Note 5, and I can honestly say with confidence that this phone's animations are more smooth than those two other phones. Now you gotta try it and see it for yourself if you don't believe me. Now I am a light user, so when it comes to performance, this phone completely flies by, and I'm talking about, just using the bare essential apps, nothing heavy like Facebook. When it comes to, just scrolling through your Google home feed, it's smooth like butter. When it comes to scrolling through your app drawer, smooth. When it comes to opening and closing apps, smooth. The design. Now this is hands down one of the best looking budget phones I've ever seen in 2018. When you take a look at the back, I did get the black color. You do get your rear view camera and your laser autofocus and your flash. Now right below that smiley face, you're going to get the fingerprint reader. Give respect to, because number one, it's easy to find. Your index finger somehow finds its way to the sensor. You don't have to search for it. Unlike the Nexus 6P, which has a huge fingerprint reader and it's also a huge phone, I do find myself having to search for it. Now this does have, like I said, a shiny finish. It is plastic. It does have a micro USB connector, and on top you will find a headphone jack, and you will find your volume button, your volume rockers on the right side, and on the left side you will find your SIM card tray. Moto features. Now another great thing about this phone is that it comes with unique software features that actually makes life a lot easier when you're using your Android phone. Now for example, you do have the opportunity to turn your flashlight on by simply chopping your phone twice. You could also activate your camera simply by twisting the phone. Now these are great shortcuts, they save a lot of time. Honestly, it all comes together to form a unique experience which you cannot get on other Android devices. Moto display. When it comes to notifications, no one does it better than Motorola. You could actually view your notifications with a glance and just by nudging your phone or lifting it up. Once you get a text message, there will be a text message icon in the middle of the screen. You have the opportunity to read this message, dismiss this message, or even reply to this message, all with a swipe of a finger. All you need to do is simply place your finger on the icon and swipe on the specified direction to get where you want to go. Swipe to shrink the display. Now this phone is a 18:9 aspect ratio, so it is pretty tall. You might have some trouble trying to grab down the notification toggle or accessing the upper part of the screen. So as a solution, Motorola added the swipe to shrink the display feature, where you simply take your thumb, swipe down diagonally from the center, and your screen will automatically shrink, giving you easier access to your display. Here are two other awesome Moto Assist features which I do love and which I do find myself using quite often. Now the first one is a double chop to activate your flashlight. All you need to do is simply chop your wrist twice or chop the phone twice, and your phone will automatically turn on the flashlight. This is great for emergency situations or in dark situations where you need a quick flashlight. Now the other feature is called the twist to activate the camera. You simply gotta twist your wrist and the camera app will automatically turn on. This is great or perfect for getting quick snapshots or quick video recordings. The camera. The rear-facing camera of the Moto E5 Supra is pretty decent. It has a manual mode which gives users control over the focus, exposure, white balance, ISO, and shutter speeds. For photography, you can also shoot panoramas, and for video recording, you can shoot in slow motion. Videos can be recorded at full 1080 at 30 frames per second, and the camera software has a built-in photo editor so you can easily adjust the exposure, saturation, and contrast right after you've taken a photo. Here are some awesome sample shots and videos. Google Lens. Open the camera app and take a look at the bottom left corner. There you should find the Google Lens icon. Once you tap on the icon, the Google Lens application will open up and begin analyzing objects it sees through the rear-facing camera. Once it identifies the object, a blue dot will appear over the object. Simply tap on the blue dot and Google Assistant will identify the object and provide you with information using Google Assistant. Call quality. Motorola has been well known for manufacturing high-quality communication devices. For a budget phone, the call quality isn't bad. This phone offers Wi-Fi calling, and the speakerphone feature works loud and well. Sound and display. The IPS display is perhaps one of the best displays you can get in this price range. It might not be the sharpest display, but this display does get bright, and the colors are accurate. If you are not satisfied with the color temperature, you can adjust the color temperature in the settings menu. As for the sound, it can get loud, but as for the highs and lows, it's pretty decent. The battery. The 5000 mAh battery is a complete game changer. I can get about 2 days with a full charge. If I'm running low on juice, I can simply use the included turbocharger for around 15 minutes for a couple more hours of usage. So let me know what you guys think. Is the Moto E5 Supra the best budget phone of 2018, or do you guys have another phone in mind? Let me know down in the comment sections below, and thanks for watching. And oh yeah, please hit the like button if you liked it, and please subscribe for more videos from Ultratech. That's it for today. Have a great day guys. Peace.